Hello everyone. Today, we're kicking off with our first topic, an overview of AWS regions and availability zones. Let's dive in. Let's take a look at the agenda for this video. First, we'll cover regions. Then we'll explore availability zones, AWS regions. What exactly is a region in AWS? A region is a geographical area where multiple availability zones are located, allowing us to host our AWS infrastructure. A common question that arises is, why do we need to choose specific regions to host our applications? Why not host them in any available region? Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you host your infrastructure in Northern Virginia, US East 1, but your application users are located in India. In this scenario, your users may experience latency issues while using your app because their requests need to traverse multiple network hops, increasing the response time. However, if you place your infrastructure in the same region as your users, such as in Mumbai, AP South 1, the number of hops decreases, leading to lower latency and faster response times. This is why regions are crucial, as they allow AWS users to select the region that best suits their needs, optimizing for lower latency and better performance. Let's now shift our focus to availability zones, AZs. What exactly are availability zones in AWS? An availability zone is a data center within a region that provides redundant power, networking, storage, and connectivity to its clients. Now, what's the difference between a region and an availability zone? It's quite simple. A region is a group of availability zones. An availability zone is where our AWS resources are created and where data is stored. Thank you for watching. Join us in the next video and stay tuned for more.